breath. Oh, Tanya, fierce and bold, in skies of war, your story's told. With every flight, with every fight, you shine through darkest night. In fields of strife, where shadows loom so vast, Tanya's courage, a beacon in the night. Her laughter echoes, a defiant blast. Against the storm, she rises to the fight. Oh, Tanya, fierce and bold, in skies of war, your story's told. With every flight, with every fight, you shine through darkest night. Through endless skies, where eagles dare not soar, Tanya's wings cut through the azure blue. Her legend grows with every passing war, a tale of might, of valor tried and true.